Angle, angle, side. If two angles and a non-included side of one triangle are congruent, two triangles and a non-included side of another triangle, then the two angles are congruent. So A is congruent to D, B is congruent to E, and it's saying a non-included side. So that non-included side, which wouldn't be in between B, A and B, or D and E, would be in between A and C, D and F. So you would write that as A, C is congruent to D, F. So that's why you would get angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side. Angle, side, angle. If two angles and a included side of one triangle are congruent to two angles and a included side of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. So what that's saying is if two angles are congruent to each other and the two congruent angles would be A and D and B and E. But it's asking for a included side, and the included side would be right in between, because it's saying angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. And you would write that as B, A is congruent to E, D. And that would be AAS, and this would be AAS. The difference between them two would be is that angle, side, angle, 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 side. So it's the angle and side, and angle, side, angle. So the side isn't in between the two angles on angle, angle, side, but angle, side, angle it is, and this would be the non-included side of the angles.